At issue, a proposed Louisiana Health Department rule adding the COVID-19 vaccine to the list of required school shots. Vaccine mandates involving children have become a political hot potato, with opponents arguing this should be a parent's choice, not the government's. We asked some parents to give us their opinion.
I think that they should definitely be required. If they're 5 and older, they should get it.
For a lot of people, it's unknown what the long-term side effects would be.
I just feel like it's common sense to make it just like any other vaccine at this point.
Monday, a Louisiana House committee objected to the vaccination requirement by a 13-2 vote. Members heard from dozens of speakers, mostly against the idea. State Attorney General Jeff Landry led the opposition.
This proposed rule has no merit and is ill-advised. It makes policy and mandates vaccines.
Landry was joined by anti-vax activist Robert Kennedy Jr. He told the committee the COVID shot is the deadliest vaccine ever made.
What are the long-term injury caused from this? We will never know.
Children's Hospital Chief Medical Officer Dr. Mark Klein listened to the hearing.
I can't get inside Robert Kennedy's head to know what motivates him. I can just tell you that the views that he's espousing have been thoroughly discredited.
Dr. Klein supports the mandate.
The best protection we have to offer is vaccines.
Governor John Bel Edwards has the final say on whether the vaccine gets added to the list, and the governor says he's standing his ground. Paul Murphy, Eyewitness News.
That rule would only apply to students 16 and up because they're the only age group that's covered with the vaccine with full FDA approval. If the COVID shot is added to the required vaccines list, parents will be able to opt out just like they can with the other half dozen or so vaccines that are already required to attend school in Louisiana.